Kelly, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the pie chart in your Chapter 4 homework. So I just went into SIMNet. I'm just choosing that one particular question. So I'm going to go into this. It's saying add a 3D pie chart to the document, replace first quarter, etc. So let me start the pie chart. So you were right. You started with insert, and then you went to chart. And then you're going to go to pie and choose 3D, and then press OK. From here, you have to put in Uptown Sports. And according to what SIMNet was telling me, is this is where you stopped. You didn't do the rest of it. So it says where it says 8.2, you want to put 50. And then for second quarter, you're going to put Midtown Sports. And then you're going to put 25 instead of 3.2. And then for third quarter, you put Hometown Sports and put 15. And then press enter. Close out this little dialog box. And then the questions answer correctly. I hope this is helpful to you.